Ooh, the cow says moo on the grassy hill. She chews her cud and stands so still. Ooh, the dog says woof and wags his tail. He runs so fast along the trail. Ooh, the cat says meow with tiny paws. She climbs the tree and gently claws. Ooh, the duck says quack near the little stream. She waddles by with a happy gleam. The lion roars with a mighty sound. He's the king where trees are all around. Ooh, the owl says hoo in the quiet night. He spreads his wings and takes a flight. Ooh, the frog says ribbit by the lily pad. He hops all day and looks so glad. Ooh, the parrot says squawk in colors so bright. She flaps her wings and takes a flight. The horse says neigh and loves to race. He gallops wild in open space. Ooh, the elephant trumpets loud and clear, with big strong feet and flapping ear. Ooh, the animal sounds are fun and bright. Let's sing again, morning to night.